All right, in this video, we're diving into the world of prime factorization. I've got a few practice problems lined up, and while they might seem correct at first glance, there are a couple of sneaky mistakes. Can you spot them? Feel free to pause the video and give it a try on your own. All right, let's look at the prime factorization for 36. This student said 3 times 12 is 36. That is correct. I don't need to break 3 down further because it's already a prime number. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that one. 12 is a composite number, so we do need to break that down. So this student broke it down into 6 times 6. Well, 6 times 6 is 36, not 12. So this is where they made their mistake. We'll come back and check, or we'll come back and fix that in a second, but let's break down and see if they made any more mistakes. So 6 breaks down into 3 times 2, which are prime numbers. The same with this 6 breaks down into 3 times 2. So they did the rest of that correctly. So I have 3 3s, so they got 3 to the third. And I have 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. So these two steps they did correctly. Let's go ahead and fix this one. So 12 should break down into 2 times 6, not 6 times 6. And 6 I can break down into 2 times 3. So I have 2 2s, so I get 2 squared. And I have 2 3s, so I get 3 squared. And this is the correct answer for this problem. Let's look at 13. This student broke that down into 1 times 13, which is correct. Both of those are prime because they only multiply by 1 in themselves, so prime is the correct answer. They did that problem 100% correctly. Let's look at 200. 200 breaks down into 2 times 100. They did that correctly. 100 breaks down into 10 times 10. That's correct. But this student stopped here when 10 is a composite number, so they should have broken this down even further. So this is where they made their mistake. So let's see if they made any other mistakes before we go on. So they did 2, just a single 2, and we have 10 squared. So they did do this correctly, but let's fix their mistake. So 10 and 10 should break down into 2 times 5. So I have 1, 2, 3 2s. Don't forget that guy over there on the side. 2 to the third power, and I have 2 5s, so I get 5 squared. So this is the correct answer for the prime factorization of 200. I've also created a worksheet packed with practice problems just like these, including common mistakes, to help you master the concept and feel confident moving forward.